So why do you think that, having a good vision in two eyes is important? A person who is living with strabismus or with a lazy eye, why should they train their other eye and see the world pretty clearly?
Right. I mean, of course, even with one eye you have vision, you can manage your life. But again, when we look into the science, people that have very good vision in both eyes and have good coordination, definitely they have better quality of life. Okay, what do I mean by that? In terms of, let's say, climbing downstairs, a very simple activity, right? In terms of reacting to a dangerous object that just approaches the eye, okay, threat, okay, when a visual threat happens, you want to go catch a bus or you're driving, okay, you are sitting in the driver's seat, and the way then you're able to see all, like, your horizontal visual field, the extent to which you see, and the same speed with which you react to things, the visual motor reaction time. And of course the 3D, which is not, I mean, all of us now know what 3D is, especially with the 3D cinemas coming into picture, looking as if something is coming in, but that 3D is not just about that. Even the simple act of putting a thread into a nail, okay, or sewing and all of that, just try doing it with the one eye closed. Try pouring water into your bottle or try, touching your two fingers just with one eye closed, and then you will really know what it is when you have both eyes, because that gives you a better advantage in terms of improved visual efficiency, performance, improved work productivities, reduced accidents, improved quality of life, and a lot of stuff. Yeah.
Great, super. So I think there is a lot of information shared here today, and I think there is a lot of key messages here that we have for our audience from this interaction. First of all, that vision therapy is not just you do. It is established science, not only in India, across the world. And there are centers, there are people who are working into vision therapy who can help you to have a better quality of vision. If not the quantity of vision, the quality of vision can be improved significantly, which in turn improves the quality of life. And the key points here that vision therapy is not limited just to the centers or just to the location. If you know the right people to connect to, you can even consult them through online modules. Vision can be checked, the therapies can be given, and the treatments can be started, and the difference can be brought here. So thank you so much, Dr. Rizwan, for sharing so much of information with our audience today and sharing your experience with us. We wish you all the success. So very soon, I think she's starting a practice of vision therapy in Dubai. So she is bringing vision therapy to this part of the world, and our best wishes to her. And we do a great work together. Thank you so much for listening to us. Thank you.
Thanks, Abhinav. It's been wonderful interacting and speaking about my favorite subject, vision therapy. And